Hey guys, welcome to Dynacodes. Today I'm going to show you the demo of MedicoAssist, AI-powered disease prediction site, which will predict the most common diseases based on the symptoms provided. So to make the prediction, we are going to take the help of web. So the first disease we are checking is arthritis. So these are the symptoms of arthritis. So let's check some of the symptoms here. These three symptoms, and let's check if our model predicts the disease correctly or not. So it has predicted arthritis correctly. So main symptoms of arthritis in our database is joint pain, tenderness, stiffness, inflammation, and this. And it has correctly predicted the disease. So let's move on to next disease, which is COVID-19, most common. So these are the most common symptoms. So we will copy them and check if our medical assist predict the disease correctly. We will paste it here: fever, chills, shortness of breath. So we all know these symptoms as we are more familiar with it. So let's check it. So it has predicted, but the first prediction is malaria, and which is the most probable prediction. And after that, there's COVID-19. So in this time also, it has predicted the COVID-19. So let's check about kidney stone. I'm taking it from different sites, so we will be able to check the accuracy of our model. So these are the all symptoms. So we will take some of them and we will check it here. So let's check it. Yes, it has perfectly predicted kidney stone. That's 100% accuracy we got here. Now the last, malaria. So let's check about malaria. So we will take last four and first four to make a randomness here. So first four and last four, just to check how our model does the prediction on different data given. So it has perfectly predicted the malaria. The second prediction was flu, which is we know that flu, malaria, COVID-19, yellow fever. These are the same kind of diseases which has same symptoms. Even though it has predicted very well. Let's see what Medico Assist is. So this is an web app which will predict possible medical condition based on the symptoms provided. This site is developed using deep learning in Python, and we have used the TensorFlow library for making the model. We have used the recurrent neural network algorithm. So some of the specs of model are that it has input layer and which input layer and one dense layer with 64 neurons and relu as activation function. It has output layer with 4 neuron. As we are predicting four outputs, we are making four prediction, and with activation function softmax to which is mostly used in categorical algorithms. And we have used the categorical cross entropy as a loss function and adam as optimizer. We got 100% accuracy on the data set, test data set, and also training data set. So about dataset, we have created it from different health sites. This is the medicinet.com, where we got the A to Z diseases, and then we have take the most common diseases and we have put in it in dataset. Uh, Lastly, we want to give a disclaimer to you that this is for only educational purpose. It is not for practical use. So uh, don't take these predictions too seriously. That's it. So if you like the project, like the video, and thank you.